Hey friends, it's your girl Chef Darlene V, and I'm back. We're coming at you today, or I'm coming at you today with a new video, and we're actually gonna start doing videos. We're trying to do it at least twice a month. So come to the channel and check out our videos that will be coming up. But today we are going to focus on pancakes. And you know, some people might think pancakes are simple. Other people are perplexed about how to make a good pancake. There are other people who all their lives they've eaten boxed pancakes. So today we want to make pancakes from scratch, and we're bringing it to you, okay? So follow us, or I keep on saying us like there's somebody else in the room. I think it's just me. Well, and my husband who's taking the video, but follow me as I show you how to make the perfect pancake. It's so yummy and delicious. You will never, ever, 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 ever go back to making boxed pancakes again. And it's easy. So that's the best part. Okay, so we're gonna make it. I'm gonna put on my apron. All right, so I have my apron on. So let's get ready and let's cook, okay?
We're starting with our wet ingredients, and the first one is milk. Now let's add our melted butter. Did I tell you vanilla is really expensive right now? Now let's add our oil. Now this is what makes our pancakes different. It adds a creaminess to them. It's the yogurt. Last but not least, it's our incredible egg. Now let's whisk it all together. Okay, for the dry ingredients, we have our flour. Then we're adding a touch of sugar. I guess that's a little more than a touch. Now let's add our baking powder to make those pancakes fluffy. And we cannot forget the salt. Gotta add the salt. Okay, it's time to add the wet into the dry, and we will mix it all together. Be sure not to overmix. Oh, let's get every bit of the butter. We want to make sure that when we start mixing that we don't overmix. So you want to mix it well, but if there's still lumps in there, it's totally okay. All right, now here you have it. This is what the final batter is supposed to look like.
All right, so we're heating our pan. It's about on medium heat. We're gonna put in our butter. You can use butter, you can use oil, you can use cooking spray. Obviously, butter probably tastes better. Not probably, but butter tastes better. But you can use whatever you like. So we have our butter down, and then we're gonna pour in our pancake mix. And you can make pancakes whatever desired size you'd like. What you're waiting for is the pancake to actually bubble up. So that's what we like. We're when you start to see bubbles and the bubbles actually open up, then you know that the pancake is ready. So it's not ready yet. So you have to be patient. All right, so these babies look like they're ready. You turn it over. Looking good. So you just want to cook them on the other side for a few more minutes. Make sure that they're completely cooked on the inside. Let's see what they look like on the other side. And let them go for 2 more minutes. Everything's 2 minutes with me. All right. These guys are done. So I'm gonna put them on a plate. This bad boy is ready. Calling pancake. Calling names.
We're finally on our last pancake. Can't wait to try them.
Here we have it. We have I'm ready to dig in. These look delicious. All right. Butter is melting and coming down. Want to get a little bit of the syrup. They're light. They're fluffy, tad bit of sweetness, but it's everything a pancake should be. You have to try this recipe. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this pancake recipe. I know I love this. It's my favorite. So if you'd like the recipe, click the link below. I'll have it. Or you can also get it by going to chefdarleneb.com. Make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment below. I'd love to know your comments. All right? And don't forget to share this video for anybody who would like to know how to make pancakes. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.